True and false we have completed. All the true and false, I think. Yeah. Come to B questions. Complete the sentence with appropriate terms. Now we have gone through the chapter, so we can complete these sentences. We have read about all these things. Okay. WWF stands for what? WWF stands for Worldwide Fund. Correct. Gargi is right. WWF is World Wide Fund. FUND. That is the full form of WWF. Worksheet 15.2. Okay? Yeah, correct. Next one, the full form of IUCN is, okay, correct. That is International Union for the Conservation of Nature. Second one written, International Union for the Conservation of Nature. You can see in your textbook, in the red data book, last paragraph of your chapter, full form of IUCN is given. Got it? Third one, both national parks and wildlife sanctuaries are covered under the which Act? Wildlife Protection Act of 1972. Correct. You can see on page number 236. Beside that word, buddy, Wildlife Protection Act of 1972. Okay. Third one, everyone finished. Last one, Project Tiger is managed by the, is it Government of India? No. Currently it is managed by, you see on page 237, beside the map, beside the Indian map where they have shown all bird sanctuaries and all, tiger reserves. Beside that you see, the project is currently managed by National Tiger Conservation Authority. So, fourth answer will be National Tiger Conservation Authority. Got it? Okay, fine. Correct, okay, right. Authority also you will have to write, huh? Last word, authority. And all NTCA capital. National N should be capital, Tiger T should be capital, Conservation C capital, and Authority A capital. Properly you need to write about these things. Okay, C is your fill in the blanks. The plant species found in a region is called the dash of the region. Plant species are the flora, animals are the fauna. So plant species will be called as flora of the region. FLORA, flower, flora. Just remember like that. Okay. Who is this? Sahil? Yeah, correct. The Sundarbans Tiger Reserve is located in the state of West Bengal. We all know that Sundarbans, actually the name of this area is named as Sundarban. Bans in Bengali means forest, na? Ban, like ban. And Sundari trees are growing in this area. Trees whose name is Sundari. They grow in large number in this area. So the name of this area is Sundarbans. And this Sundarbans Tiger Reserve, it is in Bengal, West Bengal. Third one, as the most restricted out of all protected areas. Now there are so many protected areas: biosphere reserve, national park, wildlife sanctuary, all these things. Out of that, which is more restricted and strict, that is national park. National park is more strict, means they are having fencing and boundaries are made and nobody is allowed to go inside without permission. Okay, so national parks will be the third fill up. Fourth one, the biosphere reserve contains other protected areas within it, such as wildlife sanctuaries and national parks. Biosphere reserve is a big area. Inside that, some areas are demarcated or fenced to be wildlife sanctuaries and national parks. एक बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व के अंदर कुछ नेशनल पार्क एरिया बना सकते हैं और वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी बना सकते हैं. Inside core areas are tagged like that. Fifth one, species of animals that currently face the threat of becoming endangered. Now they are on the boundary of becoming endangered. If they did not get protection, they will go in the list of endangered species. In the near future are now in which state they are considered to be vulnerable species. Correct. Fifth answer is vulnerable. Right, Yola. Water absorbed by animals is released in the atmosphere as water vapor through a process called. Now, animals, excess of water, they will throw out of the body by urination. But here in the fill in the blank, what they are saying, water that is absorbed by the animal body is released in the atmosphere like water vapor, in the form of water vapor. What process is that? That is our respiration. We breathe in and we release air. Along with air, water vapor is also released out. That is respiration. Sixth one, fill up is respiration. Plants, stomata are there in the leaf and they give out water that we call as transcription. But in animals, they give out water vapor directly into the environment by respiration only. Okay. Next, a species that can only be found exclusively in a particular region is called an endemic species. Now we know that kangaroos are endemic to the Australia region only. They are not found anywhere on the earth. So they are endemic species of Australia. Eighth one, excessive carbon dioxide in the atmosphere has led to global warming. Carbon dioxide is heavier than all the other gases in air. So when there is fire, what is there in the fire extinguisher, that cylinder? Carbon dioxide gas is only released if we spray from that. and as carbon dioxide is heavy, it will be settled down, and all the other air with oxygen that will help burning will be pushed aside, and carbon dioxide will make a blanket like covering over the fire burning, and because of no oxygen supply, the fire will be extinguished. Why? Carbon dioxide is heavier compared to other gases. And what is happening? We human beings are creating a lot of pollution. Carbon dioxide is being generated, and this carbon dioxide is not easily rising up in the atmosphere. It is settling near the Earth's surface, and it holds the sun's heat near the Earth's surface. And that's why our Earth is getting warmed up fast, is heating up, temperature is rising year after year. So eighth filling the blank is global warming. Eighth fill up will be global warming. Written all of you? 9. A group of interdependent elements. Group of interdependent elements present at a certain place, living, both living and non-living, comprise an ecosystem. Correct. When living and non-living things depend upon each other for their growth and survival, it is your ecosystem. That is the ecosystem. Last one, the variety of plants and animals present in a certain region or habitat is called its biodiversity. What is it called? Biodiversity. Last one is biodiversity. Okay. Come to worksheet 15.3. 15.3 worksheet. Answer the following questions. Here you see 1, 3 and 4. We will have to write in copy. 1, 3 and 4. This second question I think we can write in the worksheet itself. Okay. First one in 15.3, first question. What it is? Give a brief description of Red Data Book. Red Data Book in your textbook, page number 237. Right there, page 237. Complete paragraph of Red Data Book you will have to write. Brief description मतलब पूरा describe करना पड़ेगा. तो complete this paragraph you will be writing as an answer. Mark करके रखो textbook में. Yeah. Whole paragraph. Next, give 2 examples for each of the following. Extinct species. What are the all extinct species that we have seen? Yeah, not only pigeon, you should write passenger pigeon, beta. Passenger pigeon is different and simple pigeon is different. Dodo एक है, dodo bird, passenger pigeon, or you can also write West African black rhinoceros. West African black rhino. Rhinoceros गेंडे को बोलते हैं. Okay? Only 2 you have to write. So any 2 You can write down West African black rhino or passenger pigeon and dodo bird. Okay. Next one. Critically endangered species. Critically endangered, yeah. Black rhino, RHINO. Rhino, black rhino, okay? Black rhino and orangutan. Then one more example is hawkbill turtle. Hawkbill turtle भी है critically endangered species में. Are you all getting the answer? Yeah. Endangered species Asian elephant है हमारा Indian. Then Bengal tiger. Yes. Blue whale. Snow leopard. On page number 233, complete list is given. Orangutan Sahil is critically endangered. तो क्रिटिकली एंडेंजर्ड का लिस्ट अलग है और खाली एंडेंजर्ड का लिस्ट अलग है. तो क्रिटिकली एंडेंजर्ड हमने ओरंगुटन लिखा. हियर एंडेंजर्ड स्पीसीज में वी विल हैव टू राइट एशियन एलिफेंट, वी विल हैव टू राइट बंगाल टाइगर, ब्लू व्हेल, व्हेल भी है, बोनोबो भी है, बोनोबो, स्नो लेपर्ड, या. Next, D is vulnerable species. Those who can join the list of endangered if not taken care of. So vulnerable are African elephant, giant panda, olive ridley turtle or great white shark. All these are vulnerable. Only two you have to write down out of these. ठीक है? Next one. Near threatened species. Near threatened species are all the species that are critically endangered and endangered. Critically endangered or endangered species are near threatened species. So you can write any two out of them. Like the black rhino, hawkbill turtle. Okay. Next, national parks in India. So many national parks. You have studied this map. So many national parks are there in India. So you can write down Jim Corbett, Kanha National Park, Kaziranga National Park, Juisi, Gir National Park in Gujarat, Jim Corbett in Uttarakhand, Ranthambore भी है. Then Kanha National Park in MP, very close to our Nagpur. Many people go for jungle safari there. Kaziranga you all know in Assam area. Kaziranga is very famous for its, या वायनाड भी है. जो याद रहेंगे वो लिखना. ओके. वायनाड इन साउथ कर्नाटका. Okay. Wildlife sanctuaries in India. Wildlife sanctuaries all the black spots in map of India. You can see wildlife sanctuary. Sanjay Gandhi in Mumbai, near Mumbai. Yeah. Then another one is Dachigam in Kashmir. Can you see? Dachigam. Annamalai in Tamil Nadu. Nal Sarovar also will do in Gujarat. Then Manas in Assam area, Manas. Sundarbans also, yes. Any two you have to write down. Koleru Lake we have. Okay. Koleru Lake is also bird sanctuary. The green bird where they are showing, that is about Koleru Lake, this bird sanctuary. Chilka Lake, Koleru Lake, then Kodilaral in south you can see, then Vedanthagal. 4 bird sanctuaries are shown in your map of 15.17, है ना? Okay, third question. How does pollution contribute towards the loss of biological diversity? You come to page number 234. 234. Pollution. Last paragraph is about pollution. Can you see there? This whole paragraph will be the answer. Whole paragraph from pollution till coral reef at many places. This complete paragraph you will have to write for this answer. All things are important. Pollution is another factor that has greatly contributed towards endangering a number of species of plants and animals. Land pollution due to use of fertilizers affects plants and trees and the animals that consume them. है ना? Yeah, places the. Then water pollution, land pollution in one line, water pollution in another line. Then chemical substances. Then example last, you can see oil spill and all is given. So this complete paragraph is important. Yeah, complete paragraph you will be writing. For example, industrial effluent and oil spills that enter water bodies have threatened the existence of coral reefs at many places. Next question 4. 15.3 question 4. Mention any 3 effects of deforestation on the environment apart from loss of biodiversity. We all know that because of deforestation, because of cutting down of forest area, cutting down of trees, loss of biodiversity is occurring. Other than that, what are the effects, bad effects? Question 4. What we will write? First of all, loss of trees. Second, climate changing. Third, desertification. As there will be no huge trees, land can become barren and desert can form. Soil erosion. trees will not be there, and then the roots that are holding the soil will not be there, है ना? Then next, flooding. Flood will occur. What else you can write down? Is increase in greenhouse gases. Greenhouse gases will increase. You all know what are all the greenhouse gases. What more? Greenhouse gases increasing. Disrupted water cycle. Water cycle is disrupted because trees will not be there. Economic loss. You can also write down forest fire will be frost. Different health issues. So many bad effects of deforestation. You have to write only 3. You can choose for yourself. These are all the effects of deforestation. Health will deteriorate. Health issues will come up. Then greenhouse gases, more and more will be generated. Water cycle will be destructed. Economy of the country will be lost, or of that area at least. Then flooding, soil erosion, all these things are going to happen because of deforestation. Okay? Yes, beta, only 3 are asked. I just gave for your knowledge, so that you can write anything that you can easily remember. Okay? Come to page number 22 of your worksheets. Worksheet 15.4. Worksheet 15.4. First question. Have you all finished writing? First question of 15.4. State any 3 reasons why biodiversity is important. Come to page number 231. Correct. Why is biodiversity important? You can see there 3 reasons we have to write down. Here, last you can see on page 231, 2 points are given. Importance of biodiversity. First one you can write down. Flora and fauna provide us with different kinds of food items. Paper, silk clothes, wooden furniture, rubber products, etc. Okay, or medicine. anti-malarial medicine like getting from cinchona tree. So first point is that one. Second, trees provide shelter to animals. Then it regulates carbon dioxide oxygen cycle, as well as amount of moisture in the air. They also control floods and soil erosion. So first one, you will write about flora and fauna. We can make medicines from them. We can get food item. We can get paper and silk from them. Okay. Second point, trees provide shelter and also regulate oxygen and carbon dioxide cycle, as well as moisture in the atmosphere is maintained. That will be your second point. Third, they control floods and soil erosion. Trees control floods and soil erosion. Okay, got the answer? Next, write any three features of each of the following types of protected areas. Page 236. 236. You have to write three features of biosphere reserve, three features about national park. National park, you have to write down that it is demarcated with strict boundaries and no one can enter without permission. Okay. Special characteristic features you are going to write. And about wildlife sanctuary also given. That there are much strict rules are not there and boundaries are also not correctly made, and human being can enter these areas, wildlife sanctuaries. This you have to write three points about everyone. Okay, can you write from these paragraphs? Okay. Okay. Last question of 15.4. What are endemic species? Give any two examples. Come to page number 235. 3 points for each topic बेटा. 3 पॉइंट एक टॉपिक के लिए लिखने हैं आपको. वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी के लिए 3 पॉइंट लिखोगे, नेशनल पार्क के लिए 3 पॉइंट लिखोगे, बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व के लिए 3 पॉइंट लिखोगे. About endemic species, last answer. Come to page 235. 235 पेज पे आएंगे. थर्ड लाइन देखा एंडेमिक स्पीसीज में. सच के बाद यू मेक अ ब्रैकेट. स्पीसीज that can only be found exclusively in a particular region is called as endemic species. Then such organisms are not found naturally in any other part of the world. Underline करके रखो. For example, kangaroos species endemic to Australia. Lemurs are endemic to Madagascar. Golden langur and Malabar parakeet are endemic species of our India. 2-3 एग्जाम्पल दे देना. ओके